Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's mukbang, Abby, please don't come in the video. Today's mukbang is a little crooked, and also it is West Coast style fast food. Can you guess what I'm talking about? Probably by the title you can. I recreated In-N-Out double burger and animal style fries. Yes I did. I'll get into it, like how I made everything. I filmed it on my Snapchat, but here's what it looks like. Double patty. I use Beyond Meat burger. Cheese, lettuce, pickle, that special sauce. I did it all. Let me grab a fork because I'm gonna need it. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna start with the fries first. I caramelized the onions so they are like super rendered down and sweet, and oh, I'm so excited. I haven't even tried the sauce yet, so I don't know if I did good or not. Yes. Whole lot of yes. The fries are super crispy too. Abby, don't you dare tip this camera over, girl. Damn, that is bomb. I just use my grocery store. It's like generic brand fast food style fries, which are just these shoestring potato fries. Caramelized onions, and then for the sauce, I did equal parts mayonnaise, which is Veganized. I used dill relish, ketchup, and then half a teaspoon of cane sugar, half a teaspoon of white distilled vinegar. And that's a secret sauce, which is not so secret. I'm drinking this today. I'm gonna give sparkling water a try. I hear it gives out really good burps, or gives you really good burps. And yeah, it just looks refreshing. It's the Poland Springs, which is one of my favorite water bottles. I'm from New York, and that's the kind of water they have up there. So good. Raspberry lime flavor, so we'll see. You know, like when you go to drink something and you're expecting it to taste like a certain thing and it doesn't, so it like throws you off, like, whoa. That's kind of what it did, but it's good. It's refreshing. Very carbonated, that's for sure. Alright. I hate how my head's cut off, I really do. So better. Let's try the burger. Ooh, I'm excited. Let me give you a close-up. First of all, look at that. Yes. Dripping on my hands and everything. Wow. Wow. Let's go. Cheers, baby. Oh my god. Yo, this Beyond Meat is just, it blows my mind every single time. Literally every time. Wow. Honestly, that's like all I can say. This is so good. So good. Sorry if it's shaking, my cat just jumped on the table. Man. She likes to smell things, but she doesn't eat it. Can you please get out of the camera way? The camera's view, please. I love you, but you gotta go, baby. Thank you. You gotta try this. Like, honestly, it is so good. If you want the recipe, let me know. I will make a short and sweet and to the point video showing you exactly how I made this. Bless you. No. Don't start making noise, please. No. Every time I film a video. Yeah, just let me know down below if you would like the recipe. 100% vegan, in and out. Yeah. Holy crap, that is so carbonated. Wow. Yo, last night I was on the computer. You know how I said in the other video, we now have like the 40-inch TV as one of the computer screens. So I was like on an online notepad. First burp. I was on the online notepad, like writing my YouTube goals, where I'm at now as far as subscriber wise, view wise, and where I want to be by a certain point, a certain time period. And I was also writing some meal ideas, like mukbangs that I want to film for you guys. And I came up with some brilliant shit. This being one of them. I was like, that is on the top of my list. I have to do that ASAP. And ever since then, like ever since last night, it was on my mind the entire time. I was up till like 5 or 6 in the morning. 1, because of the time change, which sucks. And 2, just thinking about all of these mukbangs that I want to film and try, and these recipes, and like, oh. I love doing stuff like this, like in and out, and veganizing all these different fast food restaurants, and showing you like alternatives. But I'm also going to be doing some like homemade food. What's in this? I'm talking about like some barbecue pulled pork type stuff. I don't want to give too much away. And what else did I have in mind? Ooh, I plan on making these meatballs that I made in the past that weren't vegan, but I'm gonna veganize it. Just get excited, honestly. Like, if you haven't subscribed already, you need to, because this channel is about to be litty. You don't even know. And even if you're not vegan, you don't have to be. You can still try these recipes. Like, I promise you'll fall in love with them. And if not, at least just watch me eat, because I will make you hungry. Just don't watch me at 3 in the morning like I watch other mukbangers, because then you will drive yourself insane. So the onions are so good. Doesn't she look so pretty? The sauce is dripping everywhere. Mm. Mm. Oh, my hands are getting sticky. We bought Follow Your Heart deli style cheese for the first time. So we got the American, like the yellow American cheese, because I know In-N-Out's cheeseburgers have yellow cheese, and we normally buy the original chow, but that's white. And you know, I kind of wanted to be authentic with the recipe and kind of really follow it. Also, I shouldn't have left these fries in for as long as I did. I love crispy fries, but I feel like it would be a lot better if they were just a tad bit softer. But they're still hella good though, and I have to burp. I feel like coming along. As you can tell, I'm in a new setup today. No weird camera angles, no squeaky ass chair. I'm downstairs. I have like my balcony door right here, so all the natural sunlight can come in. I'm not using my ring light today. I kind of want to start doing my videos down here, but we'll see. I'm just so sick of that chair. It's so squeaky. I'm thinking about starting a new series, like with these type of mukbangs. Like restaurants that aren't in Florida or on the East Coast. Thinking about starting a series. I have to come up with a name for it though. I'm pretty sure by the time you see this, it'll be in the title, but you know. And getting these burgers, like the Beyond Meat patties, was such a pain today. We went to Publix because I thought they had it, like on the Beyond Meat website, you can find a store locator. And it'll tell you what stores had them. And it showed that all of these different Publix and Winn-Dixie's had them. But apparently it was for the V's burger, which is completely different. So we went to Publix. They didn't have it, so we got the fries and other stuff that we needed. We went to another grocery store. They were completely out of stock. I could have sworn they, you know, we'd be cool, like we'd get it there. But nope, of course they were out of stock. So I'm like, what do we do? Like, honestly, the only option would be to go to Whole Foods, which was like 25 minutes away. I'm like, no, I'm starving. So we went to BurgerFi, and Brandon walked inside, and I really didn't think they would let him buy like uncooked Beyond Meat patties, but the cashier asked their manager and he was like, yep, sure can. Ridiculously expensive. You're paying the same price you would if you were getting a burger there, like $9 or $10, but so worth it. If you don't like finger licking good foods like that, finger licking, I'm sorry. But with stuff like this, I don't really have a choice, you know? I don't want to use up 20 different napkins. But you know it's that good when I'm like you know it. You need to try this. Let me know if you want a recipe because I got you. I like the flavor of this. It's just way too bubbly. Like, holy crap, my eyes kind of want to water just by drinking that. Or just from drinking it. Oh. What the fuck? Damn, that was a whole patty. A whole damn patty. But I have so many different mukbang ideas, you have no idea. It's gonna be so epic. So what are you guys eating today? What's your favorite burger fast food place? Have you been to In-N-Out? Do you like it? I've never been. I've been in California, but never been to In-N-Out. Never tried animal style anything, and I like it. I've also never had Thousand Island dressing, which apparently is almost identical to animal style dressing or sauce. But yeah, this is like super good. Very filling though, like very filling. I didn't know I threw in potato chips with it. No, the onions are like so sweet on them. The last bite, and yes, I'm using a fork. Last bite. Bring y'all a little closer. Okay. There's only a little bit of fries left. I'm done. I cannot eat anymore. The burger itself is so filling. I definitely will make that in the future. She loves these like jelly bracelets. I bought her a 100, 150, 200 count pack of these. You want it? And she plays fetch with it. Like, I'll be upstairs and throw it, like count to 3, and then throw it down the steps. She'll run down here, grab it, and then bring it back up there to me. Ready? Oh. Oh, my little girl. Ready? 1, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was bad. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I promise you will not regret it. These videos I'm about to be throwing to you guys are gonna be so epic. Like, I have so many different recipes and restaurants that I want to recreate. Just stay tuned. Like, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be real good. But yeah, before this video gets super long, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you for watching another video, and I will see you in my next. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are in this lovely world. And I'll see you very soon. Bye. Okay, bye.